At the Capper Trail Garden, everyone belongs. Individuals we serve with disabilities can grow together in a garden created for all abilities. Accessible planters, trail, pollinator garden, and retreats help people connect with nature and with each other. We plant, tend, and harvest together in an environment where all can participate. Produce is harvested and used in our cooking classes, bringing healthy food and new skills to life. The mission of Capper Foundation is to build abilities and empower people of all ages living with disabilities. Our vision for the Capper Trail Garden is to add an apple tree, adaptive seating, and sensory features, making Capper Trail Garden more welcoming, therapeutic, and sustainable for years to come. The Capper Trail Garden, a welcoming space where everyone can grow.